Hello, and welcome back. In this series, I will show you how to create coupons for your online store. Whether you're looking to offer discounts on a specific product or across your entire inventory, we've got you covered. This step-by-step guide will empower you to boost sales and enhance customer satisfaction effortlessly. So, let's get started. From your e-commerce dashboard, navigate to the Coupons tab. This is your central hub for managing all your discount vouchers. To initiate the creation of a new coupon, simply click on Add button. From here, select your store, in case you have multiple stores. Then choose the product you want to apply this coupon to. However, if you want to apply this coupon to all the products in the store, simply leave it without selecting any product. Next, choose the type of coupon you wish to offer. Options include a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. Each type serves different strategic purposes, so consider what aligns best with your goals. Enter the coupon code and the discount amount based on the coupon type. For instance, 20, which means a 20% discount of the selling price. Set the expiry date and specify the maximum usage limit for the coupon. You can also activate or deactivate the coupon as needed and enable free shipping if it's available. Choose how the coupon should be applied, either to the sale price, the original price, or with no discount on sale-priced items. Finally, save your settings. Go to the next tab. From here, you can view the list of signed-up customers at any time. If you want to check your store's user list, you have the option to copy URL. You can copy your store URLs from here whenever you need to add this e-commerce store to Facebook Messenger. Additionally, you can use this store as a widget by using the provided iframe code. Next, you will find the Order Status and Notification tab. Here, the default settings for Messenger, SMS, or email are suitable for most scenarios, so no action is required unless you want to customize the default messages. You can edit the messages, but note that the content within the double curly brackets represents system variables and should not be modified. For this video, we will stop here. In the next video, we will continue with confirmations and reminders, as well as the rest of the series. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.